Hey Google, what is pink radish good for?
Here's a summary from Real Simple. Nutritious reasons to eat more radishes. They're high in antioxidants. They can control blood sugar and manage diabetes. They have essential nutrients like vitamin C for immune function and more.
Hey Google, which country pink radish originated?
According to harvesting history, radishes originated in China, and in China, today, truly wild forms of the radish can still be found. The name radish comes from the Latin word radix, which means root, and specifically radish root. The genus name Raphanus is a Latinized form of a Greek expression raphanos, which means easily reared.